Hi everyone, welcome to Clove and Cumin. Today we're making a baked brie with preserves. This is one of those recipes that not only looks impressive, but tastes just as delicious. To begin, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Cut a circle on the top of a 4-ounce wheel of brie, creating a small pocket. Remove the top of the pocket and spread 1 tablespoon of apricot jam. Sprinkle a tablespoon each of golden raisins, dried cranberries, and diced dried apricot. Cover the pocket. Now bake in the oven for about 7 to 10 minutes or until the cheese starts to melt and bubble. Take out the melted brie from the oven and spread 3 tablespoons of apricot jam on top. Pile the brie with about 2 tablespoons each of golden raisins, dried cranberries, dried apricot, and pistachios. Place 3 walnut halves on top. Drizzle with 2 tablespoons of honey and serve immediately with crackers. And there you have it, one of the tastiest, easiest, most impressive fuss-free appetizers you can make. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Till next time,